Flat tyres can affect any driver, so it's important to be prepared should this happen to you. Firstly, you need to find a flat, stable place to park your car. Make sure to put your hazard lights on to let other road users know to be careful going past you. To make sure your car doesn't roll away from you or fall on top of you, you want to use chocks if you have them. Place these under the tyre parallel from the one you are changing. If you're driving an automatic, you'll need to put it in park. Then make sure your handbrake is on. Those driving manual cars can put them in reverse or first gear. Now that it is safe to change your tyre, you'll need to get out all the right equipment. This means your spare tyre, jack and tools. Find the jacking point of your car close to the tyre you are going to change. If you're not sure where that is, make sure to consult your owner's manual. Then start to jack up the car until the jack is supporting but not lifting the car off the ground. The jack should be at right angles to the ground. If your car has hubcaps, you'll need to remove them to get to the wheel nuts. Loosen the wheel nuts by turning them counterclockwise. Do this in a diagonal pattern. You don't want to take them off completely at this stage, but just loosen them a little and break the resistance. Next, you want to jack up the vehicle to lift the wheel and tyre off the ground. Once you have lifted the wheel off the ground, you can remove the nuts the rest of the way and take it off. Now you can place the spare wheel on the hub. Put the nuts back on and tighten them lightly by hand, then lower the car. Don't put the full weight of the car on the wheel just yet though. You'll need to tighten the nuts as much as you can by hand first. Lower the car all the way and remove the jack. You can then finish tightening the nuts. Do this in a diagonal pattern, then replace the hubcap if you have one. Don't forget to remove the chocks from the other wheels and put away your flat tyre. You can take this to your nearest MTA tyre shop to be repaired, or you might need to buy a new one. Remember that Space Saver tyres are for emergencies only. For more information on how to change a tyre, consult your vehicle service book. You can get one of these from your local MTA member.